What's the date today? I think it's the 5th. We have 24 days to get this whole place ready for the party. Do you think we can do it? I'm getting a little nervous now.
We always thought we couldn't do it, and when we do it.
The last 2 weeks have been filled with projects and work. I have painted 2 new pieces of furniture, getting ready to launch the 12 new paint colors that we have coming on September 15th. And we took time for Family Day. We went to the Leucadia Art Walk, and we have a lot of exciting things to show you. A shipment of a bunch of new greeting cards. They are so cute. I love artistic cards. They are on the website. Look at her. Fabulous. My dad make this greeting card rack out of scrap wood, and because the cottages are so little, when we open them, we have more space to sell the cards. I am editing right now, trying not to panic. I really want to get this video finished by this afternoon so I can get down to the store and keep working. But it's been 2 weeks since I posted a video. I'm gonna set a really hard goal for myself, and that is to get this video edited and up this afternoon so I can get back down to the store and keep working, because we just have less than a month left and it is a mess. Thing right here. How long would it take?
Well, I gotta go buy the lumber. I can't scrounge the lumber for this.
Come on, man, we got so much lumber.
No, we don't.
Just got a shipment of these keychains. Look. And these glorious baskets. The lids are in there somewhere. So good.
About to show you a secret part of the store that nobody ever sees.
This is a secret part of the store where we have storage. So back here, that is the Christmas storage shed. I need to get a bunch of pumpkins out because we are going to be doing some holiday projects. I'm going to try and do them in advance. Look, it's scary in here. There are all kinds of situations going on. Oh dear. I wonder where the pumpkins are. Oh, I'm a little nervous. This is why I like clear bins. It saves a lot of time. Question? Why are there ants crawling on this pumpkin patch sign? That is not good.
A lot of back and forth this week from my house to the shop, working on both places.
I have something for you.
What?
Hold on. Open it up.
Dad, Pa?
That's you. Today, this box came to the store.
Ah, look at that.
What is it?
Look at that.
I think it's the colors of your house. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and I finished painting my door orange yesterday.
You did. Many ladies who think you're handsome and fantastic.
Thank you, Tama. That's wonderful.
All right, you guys.
I've never had anybody give me a gift like that
Okay.
through the mail.
Ladies of YouTube, please do not go crazy. We're trying to de-hoard, so don't send stuff to Grandpa because we don't have space. I'm getting kind of nervous because this area kind of came to a standstill, and it's go time. Levi, it's go time. You ready? Are you ready, Levi? We can't mess around anymore. We have got to get ready for this party. Sometimes you can just feel not equipped, scatterbrained. Whenever I have a whole bunch to do, I find myself saying, just get through this and then it will be better. This is a big party and it's supposed to be fun. I shouldn't be just trying to get through it. I should be enjoying the process. Because I'm a perfectionist, I want way more done than what is humanly possible. This is how my dish rack typically looks. It's a mix of dishes and paintbrushes. I gotta take all this pretty stuff upstairs, put this in my car, the dresser, and paint the next one.
This is a future video painted with one of our new colors plus sea glass and salty kiss. I lugged it all the way downstairs for the photo shoot, and I was feeling so happy about the way my house and the store were starting to look, and then I had a little detour.
We were making a lot of progress. My house was looking great. The store was moving along. We threw away so much stuff. And then I get this text message from one of my pickers, and she tells me that she has got a carload full of stuff and she is gonna show up and make me a deal I can't refuse. She always has good junk. I had a moment of weakness. I ended up buying pretty much everything in her car. So, my friend Debi, who is a great picker.
I want to know, what would you do if you were me? Everything in the car was $5 or $10, so how could I refuse that? The answer is I didn't. There were very few things that I did not purchase.
I'm across the street getting coffee because we are back at the store cleaning. Another day doing projects and cleanup, getting ready for the big event. I think my dad needs to trim that porch. Really needs some love. All of this was delivered yesterday by a picker who gave me a deal I could not refuse. So we've got these lights. That's a project my dad's working on. This is something my dad made last week. I just had him put the lath and plaster on top of this cute little wire thing. This planter right here. Cool toolbox. Lots of stuff. Right, we got all the cards in. There are so many good ones, you guys. I love unique greeting cards. This one right here. This one is Jenny's favorite. There's a glare on it, but it says this too shall pass. And you're never too old to believe in mermaids. Packages of the day. Where'd you get? Who gave that to you? Who gave that to you, Levi? Levi gets a cookie and I get treats. Bobby, what'd you bring me?
I brought you salmon.
Salmon?
Salmon and
Ginger too?
in case you didn't have any, I thought you might like.
I don't have any ginger. You're so nice.
Yes,
Bobby
I am.
brings the treats.
Why am I so nice?
I don't know. Why are you so nice?
I don't know either. Why is anybody nice?
I don't know.
Why are people mean?
I don't know. These are the questions of life. What do you think? Is it gonna work?
We're doing the impossible.
You always do the impossible.
Okay, now, are these gonna screw up against the table, or are they gonna be setting back?
They are gonna be up against the table. Yeah, that's perfect.
But then that piece isn't as long, so I wouldn't be able.
He's the master. He's the master of the tools.
While my dad was working at the shop, I was working on this new piece. And before you knew it, the week was over. It was Sunday, which means church and family day. And on this weekend, Ellie and Zach were playing at the art festival.
It's another Sunday, and we are gonna have steak and eggs. Gucci! Oh, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. There she comes. Here she comes. You're my long-lost baby. You're my long-lost baby. Hi, Gucci. Look at those stairs she painted and the new artwork. Okay, we're going to the Leucadia Art Walk.
We walked around and looked at all the artists before Zach and Ellie started to play. I know I've expressed in the past that I'm an introvert and I don't enjoy crowds, but this was really inspiring. And then we headed into a few local stores. I want you to take note of these candles coming up because there is a story behind them. Here's a flashback from the last video about the massive amount of candle supplies that I need to get rid of.
I've got $3,000 worth of candle making supplies, and I need to have a come to Jesus moment and just realize that I am not ever going to make those candles. I will give it all to somebody who will take it off my hands for a fraction of the price because it's overcrowding us at the store.
So these are the beautiful candles that I saw at the art walk, and it sparked an idea.
And I asked Ellie to reach out to this candle maker. We offered her a deal that she could not refuse. We are giving her the machine and giant boxes of wax, and I was so excited about this. However, she told us that she was coming on the 16th to pick up everything. Ellie just texted me right now and said she's going to be here this Saturday. It is now Wednesday. This video is janky. I am sorry. We got stuff to do and I want to get a video out, but this is my life. This is the story of my life.
So back to the art fair, and I want to show you how amazing Zach and Ellie's band are.
Lucadia, will you put your hands together for Underground Town?
And for Underground Town, no vocals, just jams.
Zach and Ellie have a YouTube channel. I am going to put a link in the description box. I would so appreciate it if you would check it out and subscribe to them.
It is now 2:36. And I have to show you what my sister just sent me.
Danielle is well aware of my hoarding issues, and she sends me this picture of the cutest little set that's out in front of her salon for free. I have every possibility to hope that I will get this video up, maybe even in the next hour. She is tempting me right now to get up and go get that thing. It's like crack. It's like crack cocaine. The junk.
Is this? It looks so interesting. Let's paint with it and see what happens. This is the progress I've made. I have a lot of hope for this. It's not looking like my inspiration photo. I'm gonna put a link to the inspo photo in the video, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna go back and rewatch Chloe again. I think the goal is to make it look like the darker colors are underneath and the lighter colors are on top. So I kind of did some of the painting in reverse order. I'm learning. I really like a lot of her work and her style. Well, she's looking better, but she's still not quite there. I had to come down to the store because I sold this piece and it is on its way to Texas, and I just wanted to make sure that, because it's been out on the sales floor, that all the drawers slide in and out, it smells good on the inside, everything's good to go. If you haven't seen this video, it is the extreme textured finish, and this piece, I have to say, was one of my most favorites. Alrighty, James is gonna be here in 10 minutes to pick this piece up and take it to Texas. I came in early to help get it loaded. It is raining outside. There is a heavy coat of wax on this piece, so I am not worried about that. James just got here. It is out on the truck now. James, he is the one that takes furniture all across the US, and he is loading up my piece. He takes good care of it. If you're a furniture artist and you need something shipped, James is your man. I will put his contact info in the description box. Okay, it's now 10 minutes to 3. I really need to finish this so I can get to the bank before it closes. Will I do it? For me, if this video goes up today is the 6th of September, then I stuck to my commitment. If it doesn't, that means that I started working on this video more than I should.
After the painting is done, there is a lot of photography that needs to happen. I took this piece downstairs so I could have a plain background. I spent a full day photographing it, getting video clips for social media and thumbnails for videos. It is fun and creative, but it is time consuming.
Okay, I have taken, I don't know, 50, 60 pictures. But I think I'm done. Now I gotta load this thing in my car and get to painting the next one. All the props, all of the schlepping, all of the painting. I think it's pretty worth it, but so it did not take me very long to kill that plant, less than a month. And you can see I tried to water it. 23 days left to get ready for this party. There's still a lot to do, but I am just focusing on the beauty of this handmade pom-pom that somebody sent me. You know who you are. Thank you so much. It's the show. It's the master creator's nightly painting. It is so pink and purple and orange. It does not show up on the camera like it really is. Oh my goodness. It's intense.
For the heavens declare the glory of God, and the skies proclaim the work of his hands.
I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I'm madly in love with you.
Look at that. Sister just texted me and said, go look at the blue moon. There it is. Look how bright it is. It looks like a light, not the moon. It doesn't really look blue to me. It looks like the normal color, but it's big.
Felt your kiss.
For links to all the products used in this video, or to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, click the link below. Thanks for watching. And for tickets to our big event on September 30th, click the link below. We would love to see you there.
I love you, Madeline.
I end up not enjoying the big fun things in life because I have unrealistic expectations. I need to just enjoy and accept the flaws. Like today, here I am, no makeup, no, I don't even know what this is.
I was feeling so good about cleaning up my house, and the chaos just tries to creep back in again. Every day it's a battle. 23 days to get ready for the party. My house has got to be clean too, because we're having a pool party here the day before. And I have to edit this video. It's been 2 weeks since I've put one out.